What's Postman? Postman is a popular API testing and development tool that developers use to build and test and debug APIs. We use it to send requests to API, so you can make HTTP requests like get, post, put, delete, etc. to a server and see the responses directly. And we can use it also to organize the requests and automate the testing. This Postman program has an amazing tool that we will discover through this course. So press here to download it and select your operation system, Apple or Windows or Linux. Now download it and open it. And let's create a new collection. So here in this plus icon here, we're gonna add a blank collection and we're gonna name it Inventory Management System.